Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fruit salad shorts, a delightful and refreshing treat perfect for any occasion. The first step is selecting the freshest, ripest fruits available, as this forms the foundation of your delicious creation. Aim for a vibrant mix of at least 3 to 5 different colors to ensure your salad is as visually appealing as it is tasty. Also, gather your essential tools like a sharp knife, a sturdy cutting board, and a spacious mixing bowl to get started. Now that you have your beautiful fruits, it is time for preparation. Begin by washing all your fruits thoroughly under cool running water to ensure they are clean. Next, carefully peel any fruits that require it, such as oranges, kiwis, and bananas, and remove any seeds or tough cores. The key is to cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, ideally around 1-inch cubes, for a consistent and enjoyable texture in every spoonful. A light and flavorful dressing elevates your fruit salad shorts. For a simple yet effective dressing, combine about 2 tablespoons of fresh citrus juice, like lime or lemon, with 1 tablespoon of a natural sweetener such as honey or maple syrup. Whisk these ingredients together until well combined. Then, gently pour this delightful dressing over your prepared fruit pieces in a large bowl. Carefully toss everything together to ensure every piece is lightly coated without bruising the delicate fruit. Your delicious fruit salad shorts are now ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve them immediately to savor their peak freshness and vibrant flavors. You can add a beautiful touch by garnishing with a few fresh mint leaves or a sprinkle of shredded coconut. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. They will remain wonderfully fresh for up to 2 days, ready for another delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.